Well, we've lived here 30 years, and we knew as we were getting older that we needed to find a way to make the house more accessible. And so we started thinking about what we wanted to do and looking for contractors to help us do that. This was very much a very narrow galley kitchen. I'm standing where a wall used to be, and so we really just wanted to make it so if somebody was in a wheelchair or a scooter, they could get in and out of the kitchen, easy flow. And then also it was 30 years old, so it needed updating. Well, we went through a pretty rigorous process to find a contractor. We did all the things that people should do, checking references and backgrounds, and through that process, 3Rs and a couple of other firms rose to the top. And then just as we sat with 3Rs and Jeff Livingston came out and walked through our property, and we told him what our vision was, as much of a vision as we had. And then he helped us kind of rethink what the possibilities might be. And so just the comfort we had in that initial consulting process, along with the research we had done, led us to contract with 3Rs. I was really very pleasantly surprised that the initial phases of the project stuck very closely to the schedule that we were given. There were some unavoidable things like weather delays and those types of things, but that aside, everything happened when it was promised or very close to it. Both the 3R staff and the subcontractors that came out were very respectful, both of us and our property. So throughout the process, it was excellent, and we're thrilled with the result. Well, I didn't make any selections, my wife did that. But really it was, we had done a lot of just sort of looking, either online looking or strolling through different shops looking at lighting and flooring and those types of things. And then Christine helped us sort of cement maybe what color schemes might make sense together. She did the shopping, helped get us the best value for the different fixtures and appliances and so forth. Gave us questions to ask to make sure that we were thinking about the right things. But beyond that, I was more focused on budget and schedule. My wife was more focused on sort of style and colors and those kind of things. Just the ease of working with the folks at 3R. You can get all the other things I mentioned with a lot of firms, but then just sort of the caring personality of the folks and their friendliness, that's kind of the icing on the cake. So yes, we would recommend it. Matter of fact, we have other projects we want to do here over the next year to 2 years, and 3Rs will be certainly one of the contractors we'll strongly consider and likely rehire.